Hello and welcome to Self-Built Trainers. Today we'll be talking about slab reinforcement on site. Alright, so I want you to focus on this particular rebar. Okay, so if you can see this bar, it is going all the way like this, and then it is bending, and then it goes on like this. Okay, which bar we were seeing? We're seeing this particular bar. Now, if you see the bar in front of it, what is happening to it? You see here, it is starting from here, right? It starts from here all the way. It bends, then it goes all the way to the other end. Alright, so just keep on doing this alternatively, and that's how this particular reinforcement is done. Okay, so providing top reinforcement here. This is our beam, right? This is the support for the slab part. So top reinforcement is here, then there's mid reinforcement, and then there's second top reinforcement over there. Okay, once again, just look at the rebars, how they are bending. Just follow this bar. Okay, just follow this bar, and you can see it goes all the way straight, bends, then becomes like this, and then goes there to the end. Okay, now we go for the second bar. You can see this bar, it goes all the way like this, bends. Okay, so like this, what they do is they alternate these kind of bars, and not only in this slab, every other slab is like this. And not only that, let me show you about the hidden beams as well. If you see this bar, right, these bars here, okay, this is nothing but a hidden beam. Okay, you can see its width is more than its depth, so this is basically a hidden beam. And you can see they have not given any LED for the hidden beams over here, whereas if you come over here, let me just show it to you. Okay, it's a proper LED here. Okay, this is for our secondary beam that is coming from a particular column. It is coming all the way over here, and you can see they have given a proper LED to it. Its depth is more than its width, whereas for the beam that is continuing it, this has more width. Okay, this is basically our hidden beams. Not only that, we have got multiple hidden beams over here. Even this is a hidden beam. Okay, even this is a hidden beam that's going like this. All right, so you have to be very careful when you're designing hidden beams and when you're doing your reinforcement for them on site. Okay.